Today, we're diving into the Olympus E-M10 Mark III, a compact system camera that promises to redefine your photography and videography experiences. With its 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor and integrated 5-axis image stabilization, this camera ensures your shots are not only high quality but also shake-free. The lightweight and compact design make it a perfect companion for travelers, complemented by a versatile range of high-quality lenses. Capturing moments is a breeze with intuitive controls and automatic modes, while the art filters unleash your creative side effortlessly. The camera's electronic viewfinder and outstanding image quality, delivering sharp images to the edges, enhance the overall shooting experience. The max shutter speed of 60 seconds and min shutter speed of 30 seconds provide flexibility for various shooting scenarios. Connectivity is seamless with built-in WLAN, allowing you to share your precious moments instantly. The innovative dust removal system ensures your sensor stays clean, thanks to the silent supersonic wave filter. The timeless design and a modern, classic style not only looks good but also lets you express your personal style. In conclusion, the Olympus E-M10 Mark III is a powerhouse that combines mobility, image quality, and creative capabilities in a single package. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, this camera is geared to capture your memories with clarity and style. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.